Hi, I'm in conversation with Sundareshan from Team Eunice.
Hi, hello.
So I'm going to be asking you a few questions, Sundareshan.
Yep.
The first one is, what made you start running? Everyone has a initiation, right? What is it for you?
So basically, one day, like a normal day, I just woke up and I thought I am just so fat.
Okay.
I realized it then. At the same time, my cousin, Bhargavi,
Okay.
she's also a member,
Okay.
and she introduced me to Eunice.
Okay.
So from there on, it just started,
Yeah.
this whole journey
Okay.
of running started.
Started.
It just started aimless or goalless. But then when I got into running, I
Yes.
just felt I just have a lot of things to achieve.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Awesome. So, what about running brings out the inner strength in you?
Okay. So you go for running, you just see everybody run.
Yes.
Like if you go in the morning, you just see everybody run.
Yes.
So if everybody can do it,
Yes.
why can't I? That was the only question when all those, when I used to run, I used to have so many cramps.
Okay.
And I just used to quit running. I just thought of quitting running.
Okay.
But then I just thought, why can't I just try?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so when other people can do it, why can't I? That was the
Main prime motivation. Oh.
Yeah.
And that was the beginning of a limitless journey. So, what's stopping you? Register now at innerstrength.co.in.